Hello and welcome to our channel. Today is day 37 and today we are doing yoga sequence for lower body, more precisely for your hamstrings. So let's begin. Come in knee and plank, knee and hand plank, that is plank position with your knees slightly bent. We'll stay here for 5 deep breaths. Bring your feet inside little bit. 1, 2, knee little down. 3, yes, this is knee and hand plank. 4 and 5. Slowly keep the knee down. Now we'll go for scapula up down. So scapulars are your two bones in your back. So what you have to do is you have to push and pull the scapulas up. 1, yes, up. 2, down and up movement of scapula, up. 3, up, very nice. 4, up. 5, up and rest. Okay, now hold your retracted position with your scapula like your back pulled up. Yes, pushing the floor, this is called retracted position. Hold. 1, pull the spine up, round the spine. 2, yes. 3, so we are practically pushing from our shoulder. 4 and scapula. And 5 and come to neutral. Now slowly raise your right leg back straight. And now raise your other leg and come in plank position. Hold. 1, 2, come a little forward on the mat. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Slowly release. Now raise your right leg straight back and raise your leg up as much as possible, keeping your core tight. 1, stomach in. 2, there should be no curve in your spine. 3, tuck the stomach in. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now bring the leg down. We'll repeat on the other side. By keeping the core tight, I mean the lower back should not go down. Tuck the stomach in towards the lower back. 1, pull the stomach up. 2, engage your core. 3, deep core muscles. 4, 5, 6, 7, stomach in. 8, 9, 10. Slowly bring it down. We'll repeat this 2 more times. Raise your right leg up again. Core engaged. 1, very important. Otherwise, you strain your lower back. 2, 3, engagement of the core means pulling the core towards your lower spine. 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Now let's do it on the left side. 1, 2, point the toes towards the other side of the room. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Slowly bring the leg down. Now we'll do a little movement. So from this kneeling position, you have to raise your leg in the previous position. So inhale and raise your leg up. Exhale and bring it down. Inhale, 1, down. 2, down. 3, keep the core tight, down. 4, down. 5, down. 6, down. 7, down. 8, down. 9, down. 10, down. Now we'll do 10 pulses on right leg only. Raise the right leg up and only pulses. Leg as up as possible. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Core engage. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And slowly bring the leg down. It's very important to keep the core engaged, else you will hurt your lower spine. Okay. Now let's do it on the left side. Inhale, 1, exhale, down. Inhale, 2, exhale, down. Inhale, 3, exhale, down. Inhale, 4, exhale, down. Inhale, 5, exhale, down. Core engage. Inhale, 6, exhale, down. Inhale, 7, exhale, down. Inhale, 8, exhale, down. Inhale, 9, exhale, down. Inhale, 10, exhale, down. And now let's pulse. I know your hamstrings are burning. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Core engage. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Very nice. Now let's do a vinyasa. Come in plank position. Chaturanga. Inhale, Urdhva Mukha. Exhale, Adho Mukha. Let's stay for 5 deep Ujjayi breaths. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Now kick your right leg up towards the ceiling. Now kick your right leg up towards the ceiling and bring it in between the palm. Now let's keep the knee down, back knee down. And let's go for Anjaneyasana. Hands in Namaste. 1, push the hip forward. 2, 3, 4, upper body and lower body goes in opposite direction. 5, but keep the core engaged. 10 breaths. 6, 7, back toe stays relaxed. 8, 9 and 10. Let's do the vinyasa. Come in plank. Chaturanga. Inhale, Urdhva Mukha. Exhale, Adho Mukha. Let's repeat on the other side. Kick your left leg up to the ceiling. Bring it in between the palm. And let's go for Anjaneyasana. On the left side. 1, 2, push the hip forward. 3, this really warms up your hamstring. 4, stomach tight. 5, else there will be strain in lower back. 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Let's do the vinyasa. Plank, Chaturanga. Inhale, Urdhva Mukha. Exhale, Adho Mukha. Now again take your right leg up to the ceiling. Bring it in between the palm and keep the back knee down. Now keep your hands in front of the chest in Namaste and go for Anjaneyasana. Push the body forward and look up. Lower body goes forward, upper body goes back. 1, 2, 5 breaths here. 2, 3, 4, push the lower body forward, and 5. Let's finish the vinyasa. Come in plank, Chaturanga. Inhale, Urdhva Mukha. Exhale, Adho Mukha. Kick your left leg up towards the ceiling and okay, so you'll kick your right leg and bring it in between the palm and go for Anjaneyasana on the other side. Hands in Namaste, and let's hold for 5 breaths. 1, look up. 2, upper body goes back. 3, 4 and 5. Come in plank, Chaturanga. Inhale Urdhva Mukha, exhale Adho Mukha. Now kick your right leg up again, bring it in between the palm and come in Anjaneyasana again. Now bend your left leg and grab your ankle and look back. Grab your ankle from inside. Yes. 1, 2, 3. Open the chest forward. 4 and 5. Now stay in Anjaneyasana. Lift your left knee up and hold. 1, look straight. 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now again keep the knee down. One last part of this particular sequence. Bend your left leg and try to grab your feet and bring it to your head. Just try with one hand. Take the head back. 1. And try to bring your head as much as possible towards the feet. 1, 2. If you can leave the other hand also. 3. Okay, 4 and 5. Let's do the vinyasa. Plank, Chaturanga. Inhale Urdhva Mukha, exhale Adho Mukha. Now kick your other leg up towards the ceiling and bring it in between the palm. And let's hold with our knee bent. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now keep the hand down and hold. Low lunge. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Keep the knee down and try to grab the feet with both the hand if possible, else one is fine. And bring your head towards the feet. 1. Excellent. 2. Take the head back. 3, 4 and 5. Slowly release. Come in plank, Chaturanga. Inhale Urdhva Mukha, exhale Adho Mukha, and stay in downward dog for 3 breaths. 1, 2 and 3. Now jump and come forward till your palm. We shall stay in forward fold. Head inside. 1. I know it feels so good after all the stretches. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Now we are going to do standing split with the wall. So turn towards the wall. No, not that far. Okay. Take position. Now bend forward first. Then raise your one leg and take it to the wall. Keep your knee bent first and very slowly slide your leg up. Walk inside as much as possible. 1. Take your hand back. 2. Sorry? 4 and 5. We are doing only 5 breaths. Okay, try without the wall. So we are trying this without the wall. Bend forward. Keep your both the palms on the floor. Now raise your other leg up. You can bring your palms a little inside and just keep one palm, like your left foot is down, so right palm down, and hold your left ankle. 1, straighten the leg, back leg, left ankle, yes. 2, 3, it's little difficult but don't give up. 4, just one palm down and closer to the feet. 5. Okay, now come in front of the mat. We'll quickly do one Surya Namaskar A. Ekam, inhale, look where the thumbs meet. Dve, exhale, fold forward. Trini, inhale, lengthen the spine, look straight. Chatwari, exhale, jump back to Chaturanga Dandasan. Pancha, inhale, Urdhva Mukha Svanasana. Sapt, exhale. Shat, exhale, Adho Mukha Svanasana. Now kick your right leg up and bring it in between the palm and go for split. Half split, full split, whichever is accessible to you. We'll stay here for 5 breaths. 1. Back leg stays relaxed. 2. No limitations, don't push yourself too much. 3. 4. 5. Now to try to twist. Stay. Try to twist. Bring your left hand on right side. 1. If it is difficult, you can stay in split also. 2. Keep your hand on the waist. Nice. 3. 4. 5. Stay here again. 1. 2. 3. 4. 5. Okay, let's do a vinyasa. Come in plank. Chaturanga. Inhale, Urdhva Mukha. Exhale, Adho Mukha. Let's do it on the other side. Kick your other leg up. Bring it in between the palm. And let's go for split. So total we are holding for 15 breaths. Okay? 1. 2. 3. 4. 5. 6. 7. 8. 9. Push the leg forward. 10. Push yourself. 11. 12. 13. 14. And 15. Let's take a vinyasa. Come in plank. Chaturanga. Inhale, Urdhva Mukha. Exhale, Adho Mukha, and stay in child's pose. We're about to finish the sequence. Just 5 breaths in child's pose. 1. 2. 3. 4. 5. Now turn this side, staying in child's pose like in Vajrasan. Turn this side so that we can see your front body. And try to lift your entire body up in Lolasana, keeping your palm on the floor. So what you have to do is you have to lift your entire body up from your knees till your feet. Try. Lift. In the air. No, in the air. Putting weight on your palm and shoulder. Try. Just 2 times. 1. And 2. Okay, now let's do Paschimottanasana, last asana of the sequence. 5 breaths. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and one last vinyasa. Come in plank. Chaturanga. Inhale Urdhva Mukha, exhale Adho Mukha, and we are done. So you can continue to stay in Shavasana, do pranayam, or just end this video here. Thank you so much for joining us. It was a pleasure having you all. Please like, share and subscribe our channel. Namaste.